Get this bike going. All right, cool. Oh, gotta turn my pads on here. All right, well, it's following me. So let's see what it does. I'm doing a little over 8 miles an hour as we speak. And I want to turn into this graveyard and see how it handles this sign right here. Went right under it just like I did. So I would say it handled it well. Okay, we're at 85% battery life, looks like. I'm going to go to the right around this tree. There was a little bit of shade there, but that didn't seem to phase it. Now the sun's up there, so you can see I am pretty shaded actually. So we'll get back going around this way. That'll make it better. All right. So now I'm going to stop. And I'm going to put this on lead. If it'll go and lead me. There it goes. Trying. There it is in front of me. Alright. See how we can get this thing going. Let's see if you can lead me again. Okay. It did. Alright, I'm going to take it out of the graveyard. There's some trees up here, so we'll make sure it misses those. And then the sign is back down here. It's missed all the trees. Now let's see what it does with the sign. It is going to go underneath of it. That is so cool. Awesome. And you'll see the sign right there. Alright, so I'm going to stop again. Now out here, we're definitely out into the open. It's already orbiting me. So we'll go down here a little piece. And we'll see how it keeps up. I'm almost 10 miles an hour. A little bit better than 10 now. In fact, let's see. There's 11 miles an hour. Well, it ain't doing too good orbiting me, is it? Yeah, I'll slow down for it. See if that helps it. It's trying. 9 miles an hour. Alright. And there it just orbited in front of me. Okay. So now I will stop here. There it goes. So let's see when it does this thing. It says it's doing 11 miles an hour. It says coming back. And it says returning. But it's not showing me the... it says connection lost. Alright, it's returning, it says. That's going to leave me. So I guess. So that was sort of a fail. Now, wasn't it? Alright, so we're going to have it lead me down through here. I'm at 47% battery life, by the way. Now this is a good test because I'm going downhill as we speak now. It may not look like it on the video, usually it doesn't. This will make sure that this thing can keep its height and speed. I'm doing 16 miles an hour now, just coasting. That's how steep this hill is. Now I'm at 17 miles an hour. Now we're going to be going around the curve and uphill. So I'll be slowing way down, of course. And it's bumpy as all get out. Alright, now we got a second graveyard here with a gate. And I'll see how this does with going through that while it's doing the lead on me. Or it may not go through. Yeah, it'll just go over the little fence, I think. Yeah, it did. Alright, so we'll ride up through here. This is gravel, so this is harder. I mean, I'm going to make a left-hand turn here. Make it work for it. Which it just did. I'm going to make another left. Man, this ground is so absolutely rough. Alright, I'm going to go right back left again. Alright, now I'm going to go out the gate and see if it'll get in front of me. And then go under the gate this time. And it did. Alright, now we're going to turn right. And we'll get it back in front of me. Alright. I got 24% battery life. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do a rocket. We'll just watch it go up and then back down. And while it's doing that, I'm going to get off the bike. Alright. So there it's on lead. So I'm going to hit stop. I'm going to go behind it. I want to see if I can hand catch it. I just hand lost it for the second time. It's really easy. I've got it on follow me. So I'm going to go on down the road here. I'm going to pass this second graveyard. So I'm coasting downhill again, and right now I'm at 10, 12. It's staying right on me, and I actually hit 13 miles an hour before I started going back down. So what we're going to do up here, I'm going to get to the top of this hill, and then I'm going to put it back on the lead. There are some wires and things, so we'll see how it does. But I'm just going to go ahead and stop right about here. Okay, let's put her on lead, and there she is. I will get going, and it's coming around me. And you will see that there's an electric pole right there to my right. Probably should see it right about now. And there are some electric lines up there. Just doing well. I'm just over 10 miles an hour. it is going very, very well, I have to say. I'm at almost 13 miles an hour. There's 13. 13 and a half. This road's really, 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 really bumpy. I'm at over 14. Well, I went back down because it's bumps. Yeah, no, I'm 12.6. Yeah, here I gotta go easy because this is a lot of rocks and really, these things will throw you in a big way. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is there's a trail up here. I'm going to take that trail. We'll see how this thing deals with these wires and everything up here. So far it's handling everything like a champ, I gotta say. Filling its way around. Right here's the trail. So this may throw it off a little bit. Alright. Back in front of me again. You see the mountains back there behind us? They still got just a little teeny bit of snow on them that we got a few days ago. I'm at 69% battery life on this one. This will be interesting to see how long it's lasting. There's some wires up there, but it's way underneath of them, so. There's a pole there. Okay, missed the pole. That's good. Right, and there's a black line here. Oh yeah, I went way under it. There's the phone. There we go. Alright, so I'd say it's doing a very, very fine job, wouldn't you? We're going to turn left and go down this street here. So right about now, we'll see how it deals with this house and this tree. Yeah, it dealt very, very, very well with it. Cool. Okay. See how we're going a little bit faster here. There's 12 miles an hour, 12 and a half. And I'm 54% battery life. Alright, so I'm going to stop this thing before I get to the stop sign, and overall we will call this a very successful test. Alright, hope you've enjoyed this one, and I will see you on the next one.